Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Azure. In this video, we are going to discuss about creating and managing users in Azure Active Directory, or you can also say Microsoft Entra ID, because now Azure Active Directory is changed to Microsoft Entra ID. Okay, so let's begin the video. First, open the Entra ID. If you type Entra ID at the top, you will get this service Microsoft Entra ID. Open it and it will take you to this screen. Here you will get information about your Active Directory, your organization details, tenant ID and everything. And to manage the users, you can go to users here. Okay, in this tab you'll be able to manage your users, delete your users, password reset, and other user specific settings for your Active Directory or for your tenant. Okay, so here in all users you will see list of all the users. Since I have only one user created, I am getting only one user here. Okay, to create a new user, you can just click on new user and you can create a new user, or if you want to invite some external user inside your Active Directory, or if you want to provide some external user access to your Active Directory or any resource, you can invite an external user as well. Okay, but for now let's create a new user. Here you will have to provide the UPN. You can provide any UPN if you want, based on the user name. Okay, you will have to provide the display name. So you can provide anything like this. Auto generate password. If you want to enter the password, remove it and you can enter your own password. Otherwise, you can just click on this auto generate password and it will generate one password for you. Okay, now click on next. In the properties, you can add other properties as well, like first name, last name, what should be the user type, if you want to add that as member, or if you want add this user as a guest, you can select the user type. Okay, you can provide the job information as well, but if this is not needed, you can keep this blank as well. You can provide the addresses and all and click on next. Here in next you can add this user in some particular group. So if you click on add group, it will give you an option to add that user in some particular group. Since I don't have any groups created, we are not getting any option to add the groups. If you have some groups created already for your organization, you will get list of all the groups here. You can select some particular group or multiple groups which you want to add in that, I mean this user. You can select it and click on select. So here all the groups will be coming. Apart from this, you can add or assign role as well to this user. We have all the roles which you can assign. So suppose you want to assign this user group administrator or Intune administrator, you can select it and click on select. So this role will be coming here. Once this is done, you can click on next, and finally after reviewing, you can click on create. So this user will be created. Okay, let me refresh this page. Okay, now you can see this user has been created. Okay, and identity for this account, is something like this, and you can use this UPN for this user. Okay, apart from this, here you can download the list of users, and you can do bulk operations here. If you want to bulk create the users in bulk, or if you want to delete the users in bulk, you can do that, something like this. If you click on bulk create users, you will get the CSV template from here. You can download it, and you can add all the users here in your CSV file, and you can upload that CSV file, and you can submit it, so that you can create multiple users based on your CSV file at one go. So this is the good feature if you have multiple users to log in inside your Azure Active Directory or Microsoft Entra ID. But there is a limitation for this as well. You can see it. Please be aware of the bulk operation service limitations before using this feature. Operation can only run up to 1 hour and has known issues in large tenants. Okay, so if you have so many users, you can uh, just limit them and add that, so that creating them should not take more than 1 hour. If it is taking more than 1 hour, then this might fail, or you might get some issues. Okay, like this, you can bulk delete as well. You can add the template and click on upload the CSV file to upload the file, and you can submit, so that it will delete the users in bulk. Okay, apart from this, uh, let me click on audit logs. Here you will see audit logs about all the users here. Okay, like just now I just added one user here, and I'm getting that details here in the audit logs. Apart from that, you can get the sign-in logs here. How many users are signing, when they are signing, like interactive, they are signing in interactive mode, or they are signing in non-interactive mode. You will get all the details here inside this. Okay, you can download this as well. Download JSON, download all the list in CSV. So you will see everything here, like which users is signed in, or which are logged in interactively or non-interactively. If you have any issues, you can solve that from here, or you can also create a new support request. In the deleted users, you'll see list of deleted users, and if you want to restore them from here, you can select them and you can restore them as well. Okay, by clicking on restore user. Since I don't have any deleted users, I'm not getting the option to restore. We also have option to bulk restore the users. Okay, from here you can restore the users in bulk. So basically, Azure Active Directory provides us feature to delete, restore, and create users in bulk using the CSV file. So whenever you have the requirement to create, update, or restore the users in bulk, you can use this feature by Microsoft Azure. Okay. Apart from that, you can enable this password reset feature for your users, so that they will be able to reset the password by themselves. Okay, this will improve user experience and all. For this, you will have to enable the premium trial, and you will be able to use this feature for your organization. If you are some part of organization and you are an Azure Active Directory administrator, you should have this feature enabled already. Okay, here in user setting, you can manage settings related to all the users, like users can register applications, restrict non-admin users from creating tenants. You can just, these are self-explanatory, you can read it, and based on your requirement you can enable or disable these features. Okay, you'll see all the things here. So keep users signed in. If you need more details about all of these features, you can click on this I button and you can read more details about it. And based on your requirement, you can enable it or disable it. So if you want to enable or disable this feature based on your requirement, you can enable or disable it. Okay. And from here in bulk operation result, you will get the details about your bulk operation, if that is successful or failed or something like that. You will get all the status here in the bulk operation. That's it in creating and managing users in Azure Active Directory. The final one, if you have some issues in your Active Directory managing or doing something inside these users, you can click on new support request and create one support request for you, so that Microsoft Azure team will be able to help you on your issue. Okay, so that's it from this video. We have seen how we can create the users, how we can create the users in bulk, how we can delete the users in bulk, and other user settings as well. That's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.